Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch dryer is showing the E90 error code, the appliance may suddenly stop working or refuse to start a drying cycle. In many cases, the E90 code points to a communication problem within the electronic controls of the Bosch dryer, although temporary power interruptions can sometimes cause the same message to appear. Since this issue can occur unexpectedly, it's helpful to begin with a few simple checks before assuming that major repairs are needed. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help clear the E90 error and restore normal operation to your Bosch dryer. Try these. Step 1. Stop the current cycle and note the E90 code displayed on the Bosch dryer. Step 2. Disconnect the Bosch dryer from the power source to perform a complete reset. Step 3. Leave the Bosch dryer unplugged for several minutes before restoring power. Step 4. Ensure the control area of the Bosch dryer is clean and free from moisture. Step 5. Reconnect the Bosch dryer and start a new drying program. Step 6. Observe the Bosch dryer and confirm whether the E90 error has disappeared.